How to fix Windows laptop turns off when unplugged even with new battery. So if your Windows laptop turns off the second you unplug the power cable, which means that the battery is not working and either lead to an article on the Windows Club, then the first solution or the resolution would obviously be to check the battery, whether it works fine or not, and whether it needs to be replaced. But if you are sure with the hardware, especially in cases where the problem occurred suddenly and it was working fine a day before, in that case, you would have to switch off your laptop, remove the power cable, remove the battery. When everything is removed, press the power button for 30 seconds and this will discharge the capacitors. Now connect the power cable and reboot your computer. Then connect your battery and try to run it through the battery. If it does not work, then the other solution would be to right click on your power icon, which is right here on the bottom right. Right click on it, go with power options. Under power options, you just need to simply go with change plan settings. Go with change advanced power settings and you'll get a new window. Then you need to scroll down to processor power management, expand it, and you'll have maximum processor state. You need to expand it again and you need to change the battery to 25%. Once you enter 25 right here, then you just need to simply go with apply and OK. Apply the conditions. If this does not help either, then there are other solutions like updating the battery drivers, updating the BIOS, and running the Power Troubleshooter. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.